Well, okay. So basically, this is your introduction. This is your vomit noise 101 guide. There's different types of vomit sounds in which you will become familiarized and possibly an expert with the help of this video. Now, first of all, we have your regular vomit noise, in which you go, and this is usually because, you know, I've had too much to drink or something like that. And then we have the going after a hair in the back of the throat vomit noise, which is then there's the gag reflex vomit noise, which is and there's the crying while throwing up vomit noise, which is and then there's the crying while vomiting noise and slipping in your own vomit, which is very similar but with subtle differences. When it's done in this manner. And those are your basic vomit noises.